Hello children, very good morning to you all. How are you all? Good? Very good. So children, I hope you remember what I taught you yesterday. Yes, I taught you about the addition. Addition on forward counting, addition on grid. But children, one thing I missed out yesterday, that is shortcut to add 9. Shortcut to add 9 children. Okay, it's because of the shortage of the time I missed out this. So let's start from this today only. Okay, so how will you add shortcut to 9? Let's see one example. 9 plus 2. This is the, I hope you remember, this is the sign of the symbol of the addition. Okay, and this is equals to. Right? Okay, now this is 9 and this is 2. Now 2 will give one number to 9. Now 2 will give his one number to 9. Because why? Because 9 is asking, please give me 1, please give me 1. Okay, now 9 it becomes 10. Right? And when one number is given, when 2 is given his one number to 9, so you will cut 2 over here and it became 1. Right? So now you have to add 10 plus 1 equals to 11. Right children? Okay, another sum. 3 plus 9. Okay, now 3 plus 9 children. Okay, now in this is the formula that 9, you have to give 9 one number. Okay, 9 will always ask one number from the another number. Please give me 1, please give me 1. Right? So again 9 is asking from 3. Please give me 1, please give me 1. Now what 3 is saying? Okay, take it. Okay, take it. Okay. Now 3 has given one number to 9 and 3 has become 2 and 9 is become 10. So 2 plus 10. Very good. It is 12. So this is the shortcut to add 9. Right children? Okay. Now today we'll start. Yesterday I have given you the assignment children from page 34 to 35. So children, today we are going to start the adding 2-digit numbers in regrouping. Okay, adding 2-digit numbers in regrouping on page from the book from page 36. Okay, now we are going to add big number children. So now you have to be very careful in addition. Right children? Okay, let's start with one example. Okay children, now what do you have to do? Now we are going to start the 2-digit numbers for the addition. Now 5 plus 2, very good, it is 5 and 2. So it is 7. 3 plus 1, it is 4. The sum is 47 as I showed you earlier in the last class. But today children we are going to learn a new type of addition, sums, that is carry over. Okay, big numbers now. Okay. Children, don't forget to put the sign of the addition. Okay, that is very important. Okay, now on ones, always start from the one side. That means from your right hand side. Always start from the one side. Whenever you are doing the addition sum, start from the one side. If you will start from the 10 side, the sum will be wrong. Okay, be very careful. So start from the one side. The one side the numbers are under ones. The numbers are 8 plus 3. Now 8 plus 3. You have to add 8 in 3. That is 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 has come. The answer is 11. Now put this 11 aside and under that write ones and tens. So the ones number you write under ones. Right? And the tens one is left. So what you will do, that you will throw this? No, you have to carry over this on 2. Okay, the tens ones will be carried over on tens. Now again you have to add 1 and 2. Okay, this 1 you have to add in 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. Very good. Now this number becomes 3. Right. Now 3 plus 2, it is 5. Yes. So children, this is, and write here sum, S-U-M, sum, with the blue pencil. Right children? Now, so this is children adding 2-digit number in regrouping. Okay. So there are some sums in your books that you have to do it on page 38. On page 38 children. Okay. These all sums you have to do it in the book as well as in your copy. Okay. Now children, you understood this, I hope so. Now one thing I missed. On page number 37, there are some sums. They are given that regrouping the following numbers, one has been done for you. Now how will you do this? I'll show you one example on the board. Ones and tens, right children? So under ones write 12, under tens write 4. Now what you have to do? Now there are 2-digit number under ones. Okay, there are 2-digit number under ones and 1-digit number under tens. Now what you will do? Simply children, only you have to write this, give this one to 4. Okay, give this one to the 4. The number of 1 is automatically will come to 4, and it becomes 5. Right children? And it becomes 5. That means 4, it becomes 5. That means 5 and 2. So this is the way you will do this sum. One more sum should I show you? Okay. Ones and tens. Now again children, under ones they are 2-digit and under tens they are 1-digit number. Now simple thing, this 2 automatically will come to tens, 1 tens. So you will add this. Okay, this you will add. Okay, this you will add. So this will become 3. 1 plus 2 plus 1 will become 3, and this 4 automatically will come down. So it becomes 34. It becomes 34 children. Right children? I hope you understood children. So do all these sums in the book as well as in your copy also. Right children? So the today's assignment is children, from the page 37, do this sum in the copy very neatly using the blue pencil, and always remember, whenever you are doing the assignment in the copy, always write 1-digit number in one box only. Okay, and another work is from page number 38. Both these exercises you have to do in the copy. Right, children? I hope you understood and enjoyed my class. Right, children? Okay, thank you so much. We'll meet you tomorrow. Bye bye. See you.